bad we don't have a tractor or something.
Yeah, too bad we don't have one of those.
Hold on. This should probably be down. That probably hurt. Easy. There you go. Right. Maybe just...
I usually set the first pass for 6 3/4 because of the 3.5 inches thick for the 2x4 rail that we run on for the first cut, and then it'd be another 3.5 inches into the piece of wood.
We need minimum 28, so give it 30.
Where do we need to be?
Okay, so here's what we got. We've got this little ash piece that we're just gonna cut up. It's got a couple, actually 1, 2, 3, 4 branches coming off of it, so it should be some cool figure inside of it. Just a little one, but figured might as well cut it up and see what's inside. See what we're looking at here. There's a crack in there. That's probably just gonna split off.
Want me to make another pass at this stuff?
No. Okay, we got this down to 2 inches. So we're gonna cut. We can probably get 4 slabs out of this little piece.
Oh,
I knew it. That ended up breaking off of there.
what do you mean? It's
Just
still
right at that section.
It's still right there. What are you talking about?
Yeah. But you can kind of tell that it was going to. That one's probably gonna do the same thing.
I won't let my saw go.
Just pull on it.
I am.
To everybody who might be thinking it, this is not overkill for this size log. This is 100% the length you need. Huh?
How wide?
Oh, yay big.
Well, how big is yay big? Bring your hands over here. How big is yay big?
Give her about 22 inches. This good?
Yeah, perfect.
Just a bunch of little pieces we'll probably use for something eventually. So this is what we got today. We got 4 of those ones of the ash, and then we got 5 of the small oak ones. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe because it really does help a lot. And thanks for watching.